So Mommy and Daddy went to this Japanese supermarket. They're called Mitsuwa the other day. And Mommy picked up a few Japanese snacks that we're gonna try today. Okay, are you guys ready to try the snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, so here are the snacks Mommy and Daddy picked up. We got, it's called Curvy Puffs, corn puff snacks. Okay, and then we got Boruto biscuit. It looks like a Naruto biscuit. Super Mario, I think they're like little chocolate rice cracker thing. So we're gonna open these and try them all and see what you guys think, okay? Oh wait, there's one more too. We got these biscuits. I think they're just biscuits. Okay. Ooh, they look like puffy cheese. Oh, that looks like something Ali would like. Yes, they look like little cheese puffs. Okay, definitely we'll count down from 3. Ready?
Set, eat.
Oh, ready, set, eat. Okay. How does it taste, guys? Tastes good, right? Tastes like Cheetos. Kind of like a light Cheetos. Here, can Mommy have one? Like an Asian cheese puff. Mmm. These taste like the ones we had in Japan, right, Ollie? It almost has like a shrimpy flavor or a chicken-based flavor to it.
This is something that my folks made in Thailand.
Oh yeah? Okay. Well, let's try the next one. We're gonna try all of them. Yeah.
Mommy, biscuits. Mommy.
Biscuits or cookies?
Mommy, I thought biscuits were supposed to be dog food. Mommy.
No.
Mommy.
Well, sort of.
Mommy.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're little biscuit, like crackers. Let me see. Oh yeah, they're like little Naruto. I think this is. I don't know who food. Let me see who that is. Let me see who that is.
There's a bird interested in
Oh yeah.
Mommy.
Little Naruto faces.
Mommy.
Okay, ready?
Set, eat.
Wait, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's like a sweet cookie. Let Mommy try one now. It's like a buttery cookie, yeah? Okay, so now we're gonna try this I think it's chocolate. It looks like little rice cracker chocolate. So, okay, so they're like little. Here, put one in my hand.
They look like goat poop.
Like Goku?
No,
Goat poop.
Oh, goat poop? Yeah, a little bit. They're like little chocolate ballies. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Eat.
Mmm. They're like little rice puffs, yeah? With covered in chocolate. Oh, I think this is a winner, huh? That one tastes good?
Daddy.
It's kind of like coffee a little bit, yeah? I don't think Ollie likes that one. He doesn't like coffee or chocolate. Gudetama, I guess they're just cookies. Is it chocolate filled or something? Does it say in the back? It just says biscuit. Okay.
I hope this biscuit is better than the other one.
Look, there's little Gudetamas on them.
Right in my face.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's a little egg.
Introduce your Gudetama.
Let me see your Gudetama.
My Gudetama.
Oh, it's like a little. And what does yours look like?
I got it.
Oh. Let me
Bacon and
see.
eggs.
Oh, bacon and eggs. And yours is just, egg on toast. Mine is, you can see his butt. See his butt? Okay, ready? We're gonna try it now. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Eat.
That's just a biscuit. That one's really good. It almost tastes like the Royal Cream crackers. Here are all the snacks we got. The chocolate corn puff ones. Oh, chocolate rice puff. Got the cheesy corn puffs. And these two are just like plain biscuits. The flat one, like a cracker almost. And this one's like a puffy cookie like the pandas. Now, Oliver, which one is your favorite snack? Hold it up. Hold it up. That's your favorite? Okay, and now which is your favorite? Hold it up, let me see it. That's your favorite one, the Gudetama biscuits? Nice. Okay, and what's your favorite one? Okay, what's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is this one.
Oh, the cheesy puffs too? Ooh, that's funny. All right. And Daddy, which one's your favorite snack?
I like these.
Oh, you guys all like the cheesy. So this one, I guess, is a 10 out of 10. Ping pong rating, 10 out of 10. I guess we're gonna sit here and snack out some more of these Japanese snacks from the store.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Bye guys.